Hello guys, today I'm going to do a review on Blue Nile Diamond Stud Earrings. This is the original box. I just got it last week and I already opened it, but I want to show you how it comes, and it is kind of packaged. They actually can do a bit better on the package. So it comes with a nice packaging as well as the documents. This contains of the GIA certificates as well as the appraisal letter. It's a very nice packaging. I got this a little bit less than 0.8 carat. SI2 and F color. You can see up close. It's a decent size. I choose the 18 karat yellow gold. They look small, but when I put them on, they are the right size for my ear. They look very colorless and very sparkling and beautiful. I'm pretty happy with the purchase. And let's look at the documents. So they have this company. If you want to purchase insurance on your jewelry, it comes with Blue Nile appraisal letter. You can see. And it comes with, of course, 2 GIA certificates. I'd like to show you again the earrings. They look very sparkle, a bit smaller than I would like to, but this is pretty good investment. It lasts forever. I'm pretty happy with the purchase. Thank you guys for watching.